Hey guys, it's Jamie. Welcome back to another video. I am going to show you how you can find winning Etsy products in a few minutes. Okay, so let me show you my favorite tool for it and some other sneaky little methods. So we're going to start off in Allura. This, in my opinion, is the best place to start your research journey. And for this, we're going to go on top Etsy listings. Okay, the link for Allura is in the description. And we want to think of what do we want to be selling, right? So all we want to do in here is get an idea for some sort of niche, right? And to do that, let's just click a subcategory, right? Weddings. And now don't just stop here, come down to the bottom and now sub-niche it, okay? So now we have wedding jewelry. So we have some really cool products in here, right? And we want to break them down a little bit. The idea, what we want to do here is find a store that is on the come up, okay? So we want to be coming through and we want to just be coming onto each listing and checking out the store and looking for a store with only a few thousand sales. Okay, so let's just have a little look through that. Hopefully we find something, right? Okay, we're finding some pretty damn big stores. So what we can do further is, okay, we have this one on 25,000 sales. You filter it by most recent, and even if they have this ability clicked off, you can still see what's selling. Okay, so this store is doing very well by selling different types of variations of initial necklaces, right? But we want to go a bit further than that. We want to find a new store that, as I said earlier, is on the come up as such, right? So we've already seen that one. Let's check out this. 19,000 sales here, and you know, a little bit broken there. So in my opinion, that's a good sign. Okay, so now what do we have here? Love heart projection necklace. So is this type of spiritual jewelry? Okay, so guess what? Now I've got a niche idea from absolutely nothing. Spiritual jewelry. Okay, jewelry that helps protect the person wearing it from evil spirits of sorts, right? So we want to come down here. This is a large store. Can we look a little bit deeper? Right? Let's just break it down. Break it down. 930 sales. And then what you want to do is, okay, this store is having a bit of a stinker, right? So we want to filter it by most recent and go to the end page. Okay, so they're not a very fast growing store. However, I believe they have adapted. Okay, so here we have a custom photo necklace. I'm not sure. I think, oh, you put the light into it. Okay, that's pretty cool, right? Now we have this store, 693 sales, 138 reviews. Filter it by this. Okay, 5th of April. So it's only been going a couple months and it's done nearly 700 sales. Now this is a store I would be very interested in. Okay, so now we've spotted a pattern. They try to do their own UGC, or they use one supplier, or they already have these pre-made photos they can use where the supplier is giving them these types of photos. They're using these photos where they're showing the product on body as opposed to, you know, on the empty backgrounds. You know, they're split testing, right? So, you know, okay, if I want to come into this niche, my photos have to be very, very good, right? In 20 baskets, 182 favorites. Let's check out some of their popular ones. That's the same one we just clicked. 318. 1 favorite. 7 favorites. 8 favorites. Okay. So what you can do is you can go, okay, is there any way I can source this type of product? So of course, to use that, we use AliExpress search by image, and we are just looking for a personalized initial necklace, and there you go, right? So the reason you want to be looking at existing stores that are doing well and tracking their journey, right, is so you can envision yourself in their place. You now know, okay, if I was to start this store today, this is where I can expect to be in 3 months if I do things right. Right, they've done 700 sales in 3 months. Okay, if I do things right, run the logistics, I can mirror that. Okay. And if you are then going into the space you are improving upon, you're providing quicker shipping times, higher quality products, better prices, you're selling better than they are, right? In terms of your descriptions, your titles, yeah, your photos, you can come in and you can even do better than them. So you are being shown the benchmark for that product, right? So now the one thing people get confused with on AliExpress, right, is okay, so they want to fulfill through here. I always suggest using a private supplier like the one we have in our Discord for all our diamond members. It's discord.gg/Etsy. Okay, very clean, very simple, very easy. So say you're buying a personalized necklace like this and you need to choose the name, right? What you do is you choose which spec you want, you choose what product you want, you go ahead and buy it, you put the customer's address in, and then in the delivery notes, you go, I need this to say Jamie, right? I need this to say Sarah, okay? That's how you do it. It's so simple. And then just speak to the supplier in the chat room, right? You can message them here, okay? So that is how you do that. And now I'd be very interested in getting these type of minimalist gold name necklaces and products up on stores, right? So right in front of you, I have just shown you how to find a winning niche from absolutely nothing, okay? You just go down rabbit holes. You just go down different listings, different niches into sub niches, checking out stores, looking at recommended products from them stores, keeping an eye on how old these stores are, how many sales have they made in this time period, what are they doing, can I improve upon? If I was to come into this niche, am I going to be washed out? Do I have the skills I need to be able to beat them? Right, so there's a lot to think about, but when you do it right, it is very rewarding, okay? So I appreciate your time. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.